In the last Her conference, Apple announced the iPad 8th generation Classic and the new performance at a fair price. Let's see it. Let's get started with the display with Type Retina IPS LCD capacitive 16 million colors. This is great. And size 10.2 inches and the resolution 6020 by 2160 pixels with 264 ppi density and support the Light Pen Apple Pencil Buds, the highlight update in the performance. iPad has a process i12 Pionix 7nm, where this process used in the iPhone X. This is it means the iPad will be present with a strong performance. The iPad comes with internal storage 32 or 128 GB and 3 GB of RAM. But 32 GB is very small space because the iPad doesn't have any external memory. The iPad running with the iPad OS 14. The device contains one rear camera with 8 megapixel with aperture lens, 2.4 with HDR without flash. It's come with a front camera 1.2 megapixel with aperture lens 2.2. It's primarily used for visual communication. The device supports connection with the external control hand via Bluetooth and support the keyboard, but all these accessories it does not come with the iPad. It must be purchased separately. iPad comes in two versions, one without SIM card, just Wi-Fi, but the other one supports the SIM card and Wi-Fi. The battery, according to the company, holds up to 10 hours of use and support a 3.5mm jack. iPad is now available on the market with three colors, silver, gray and golden. The price starts with $330 and still we wished for a modern design with a curved screen, so don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if you have any question, and see you in another videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.